Happy Friday! It's time for a fabulous Friday find. The Dollar Tree offers these practical silicone spatulas that are perfect for adding a little creativity. Here I've attached a pineapple upside down cake recipe, and we've featured a pineapple motif ribbon with tropical colors. This would be great for a ladies' luncheon, especially if you've served this dish. And there's so many options for the silicone spatula, and the red one really lends itself to the holidays. I can imagine a holiday themed ribbon with a cookie recipe for a cookie exchange. Here we have the Eiffel Tower with French colors, and you could attach a culinary gift card, cooking class gift certificate, and that way for $1 and a little bit of ribbon, you've got a great gift presentation. Get inspired to find simple ways to beautify your life and affordable creative gifts.